How to change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. So if you want to change your username without waiting for 30 days, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So once you're in the home page of TikTok, you'll be able to explore to various videos over here. If you tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, you'll be able to see your profile. So in order to go to your username, simply tap over the edit profile and here is your username. At the bottom it is said that you can change your username once every 30 days, which means you can only change the username within an interval of 30 days. But if you want to change without waiting, then you just need to go through the certain process. For that, simply go back and you need to be on your profile. Here tap on the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and go for the settings and privacy. So you just have to report a problem that you want to change your username. So go and find report a problem, which is under support and about. And here are various topics, but you just can go to the button and go for submit a report. Once you do that, you will be directly opened up to this interface or the text field. So in this text field, you just have to enter your problem. You can say that you just want to change your username without waiting for 30 days, so you need help. You can write like this and you can go for the submit option, and by submitting a report, TikTok will contact you after a few hours or after a few days and you'll be able to change your username easily. So this is how you change your username in TikTok without waiting for 30 days. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.